Here today with Adam. You've been a bricklayer for how long?
13 years.
Just relax, just breathe in and out. I'm just gonna work out where your back is. Just sit up straight. So if I start at the Cretaceous period at the top and make my way down through the Jurassic and into the Triassic, I can see your T1. How long did you say you've been a bricklayer for?
13 years.
13 years. It really shows. I'm just going to do a quick adjustment. Just give me your hands here. Put your hand there. Put this hand here. And feel that? That's 13 years of bricklaying. Just relax your head a little bit more for me. Okay, try not to fight it. Try not to fight it. Okay, now I'll just get you to put your hands on your hips for me. Okay, now stand up straight for me, please. Perfect, okay. I'm just going to slide in here. Okay. Have you ever had anything like this before?
No, first time.
Okay. Ready? Breathe in and out. Okay, Adam. Now, are you comfortable up there?
Oh, fantastic!
Is your back loosening up?
I think so.
Okay. I'll just get you to lay down on your stomach on the table for me. Okay, just arms by your side. Okay. We're just going to come down here through the T1 series into the Schwarzenegger. And right, is that tender in here?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it seems that way. I'm just going to do a quick ankle check to see your ankle lengths. The right side is shorter than your left side here. Now just breathe in for me. Hold it. And out. Just big breath in. And out. Okay. Okay, I'll just get you to sit up for me. Just easy does it. There we go. How you feeling at the moment?
Yeah, nice and loose.
Bit looser?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I like to hear. I'm just going to slip in here behind you. Okay. Just put your arm up there. Put your arm up here. Okay. Okay. And out. Okay. Good stuff. There's some loud cracks there, aren't there, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, now you've seen my YouTube videos in the past where I used the Y-strap. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to use the Y-strap today just for a complete spine realigning. Just lift your head up there for me. Okay, we'll just tuck that behind your head there. Bring this around the front here. Perfect. Okay.
Yeah, that's quite comfortable.
Okay. Okay, and just relax your head. Just relax your head, and on the count of 3, 3, 2, 1. Adam, are you alright?
My back's never felt so good.